In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use Brand Kit in Canva so you can save time when you're doing your designs. So from the home screen, you'll just click on Brand Kit here over on the left. And right here, you can upload your logo files. Now Canva, I typically recommend just using PNG files for your logos. I don't believe they allow you to upload PDFs. And if your logo is text-based, a PNG will be better than a JPEG quality-wise. And then right down here, you can add in your brand colors. So whenever you are designing a template, this will show up in your color palette so you can easily just use your brand colors and stay on brand. So to add a new one, you just click this button and type in the hex code there. And to add another palette, you can just use this button and then add in the other one. And if you want to delete any, just hit the X. And here you can also update the fonts that you use. So whatever your brand fonts are, you can set them up in here. And if you even wanted to upload a custom font that you have, you can do that here. If you're looking for fonts, Font Squirrel is my #1 place that I go to get free fonts. So I'll leave a link for that in the description if you wanna check out the font options there as well. So that's really all you need to do to set up your brand kit. And then whenever you go to create any of your designs, you'll see that those color options are available here for you. And then right here, you will see your brand fonts. So that saves you a lot of time. You don't have to constantly search through the listings or search every time that you do a design. If you have any questions on this, let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. Just let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.